Hey everyone, now I will show you how to make your animation appear on click in Canva. First, let's say you want to animate this one, right? What you want to do is you need to group all of this first. Let's say I want to group this too. Group also this one, I'm going to group it. This one also. Alright, so now I've grouped all of this, and now what you want to do is you need to select all of this. I'm going to select it and click on Animate. And now you can choose whatever animation you'd like. For me, I'm just going to use this one, the fade. I'm going to click on it. And then what I'm going to do is go to appear on click and turn it on. Okay, now you can check the click order here. Let's say if it's on order or not. I'm going to click this one. Okay, and as you can see, it highlights the element here. Okay, it seems to be on order. Okay, it seems to be in order. Alright, so, and now let's try to test it. I'm gonna go preview full screen and check. I'm gonna click my arrow key. Click. Alright, so it shows this one also. This one, this one, this one. And yeah, so I guess it works now. And now you know how to animate your text to appear on click in Canva. If there's any question, guys, you can just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.